Now students, let us take one more example. In this we have to divide 14.7 by 2.1, and here beta this dividend is a decimal number and our divisor also is a decimal number. बट अब तक जो हमने 2 क्वेश्चन सोल्व किए थे उसमें हमने डेसिमल नंबर को किससे डिवाइड किया था, एक होल नंबर से. ओके, बट हियर बेटा बोथ आर डेसिमल नंबर. सो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी सोल्व दीज नंबर. सोल्व दीज. So first of all, we have to remove this decimal point, means we have to convert this decimal number into a fraction, and this also. And here we have 14.7. So how can we convert this beta into a decimal number? We have to write 147 as it is as a numerator, and now we have to write 1 at the place of this decimal point, and after that we have to write only 10 for this one digit, and now we have to put the sign of this division, and now we have to write 2 and 1 as it is as a numerator, and now we have to put 1. We have to write 1 at the place of this decimal point, and now here beta we have only one digit after this decimal point, so we have to put only 10. Now beta we know how can we divide the fractions. Okay, so let us see how can we divide. Here we have to write 147 by 10 as it is, and now after this we have to replace the sign of division with sign of multiplication, and after that we have to write here reciprocal of this fraction, and here we have 21 by 10. So what is the reciprocal of this fraction? 10 by 21. Okay, now beta here we have 10 as a numerator, and here we have 10 as a denominator, so we can cancel this. 10 1s are 10 and 10 1s are 10, and here 147 and here we have 21 as a denominator. Beta if we write here 147 and here 21 as a denominator. Okay, so now we have fraction 147 by 21. Now it means क्या है बेटा, we have to divide this 147 by 21. So we have to divide now 147 by 21, and we know beta 21 7s are 147. So we have to write here 147. Now we have to subtract this number from this, and when we subtract 7 from 7, then 0 here, here also 0, and here also 0. So now our remainder is 0. So 7 is the quotient. And now beta let us see, अगर हम डिवाइड नहीं करते हैं like this, तो हम और क्या कर सकते थे यहाँ पर. We can cancel this also. Okay, हम इसकी बजाय और क्या कर सकते हैं, like this also. Here we have 147 by 10 multiplied 10 and 21. Cancel this and this. Now let us see. Here we have 147 and here we have 21, and 21 and 147 both are divisible by 3. So we can cancel this and this by 3. 3 7s are 21, and this 3 4s are 12, 2 remainder, then take 7, and 3 9s are. Okay, means if we divide 147 by 3 we will get 49. Now beta here we have 49 as a numerator and 7 as a denominator. So here also, now also we can cancel this and this also by 7, because these both are divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7 and 7 7s are 49. So here we have 7 and here 1, means 7 1s are 7. Okay, and here 1 and here 1, 1 1s are 1. 7 by 1. It means we have to divide 7 by 1, and when we divide 7 by 1 we will get 7. We know if we divide any number by 1 then we will get the same number. So like this also we will get the same answer. Okay. Now students, let us see this example by another method beta. And let us see what is that method. Convert the divisor into a whole number. Okay. Convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying both the dividend and divisor by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. I am repeating. Convert the divisor into a whole number. First of all, we have to convert the divisor into a whole number. कैसे बेटा? By multiplying both the dividend and divisor. डिविडेंड को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड डिवाइजर को भी करना है. ओके, दिस वी हैव डिविडेंड एंड दिस वी हैव डिवाइजर. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई डिविडेंड एंड डिवाइजर. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. किससे? बाय 10, 100, 1000 एंड सो ऑन. 10 से, 100 से, 1000 से या फिर आगे किसी से भी. बट कैसे बेटा? किससे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? Depending upon the number of decimal places in the divisor. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होगा बेटा? वो जितने हमारे डिवाइजर में क्या है? डेसिमल प्लेसेस. ओके, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें क्या करना है? उसको मल्टीप्लाई. कि हम 10 से करें, 100 से करें, 1000 से करें या फिर 10,000 से करें. ओके, so now let us see this example. Here we have 2.1 as a divisor. So here we have only one digit after this decimal point. Okay, so beta we have to multiply this and this. Means dividend and divisor both जो हैं हमारे, उनको हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? Here we have only one digit. So हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? By 10. Okay, if here we have two digits after the decimal point, then we have to multiply by 100 because here we have 20 in 100, and here if we have 3 digits after this decimal point in our divisor, then we have to multiply both by 1000. Okay, so now let us start. Here we have to multiply this 14.7 by 10. Okay, and here we have to write the answer product. Okay, and we have to multiply 2.1 also by 10 because here we have only one digit after the decimal point, and we know beta how can we multiply, how can we write the product directly. Okay, हम पहले जो हमने क्लासेस अटेंड की थी उसमें हम सीख चुके हैं कि डायरेक्टली हम प्रोडक्ट को कैसे राइट कर सकते हैं. इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, if we multiply by 100 and 1000 and so on. Okay, now beta if we multiply by 10, if we multiply decimal number by 10, then we have to shift the decimal point one digit to the right side. So here we have 7 after this decimal point, so we have to put the decimal point after 7. मीन्स हमारा जो डेसिमल नंबर है, डेसिमल पॉइंट है, वो कहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? आफ्टर दिस 7. ओके, एंड हियर वी कैन राइट 0. और अगर हम जो जीरोज है बेटा उसको राइट नहीं करेंगे तो भी हमारा आंसर क्या है? राइट है, बिकॉज वी नो देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ जीरोज आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो हियर वी कैन राइट ओनली 147. ओके, now beta if we multiply 2.1 by 10, then what is the answer? हमारा जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है वो कहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? आफ्टर 1 place. Okay, after 1 digit to right side. So what will be answer? 21, because हमारा जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है वो कहाँ आएगा? आफ्टर 1 means here. Okay, and after this decimal point we can put zeros, but we no beta there is no value of these zeros. Okay, so if we write only 21, then also our answer is right. So now we have 147 as a dividend and 21 as divisor. So now we have to divide 147 by 21, and we know beta 21 7 jar 147, and if we subtract this number from this, then we will get only 0. Okay, so now we have remainder is 0. So our quotient will be only 7. No need to put here decimal point because here we have remainder only 0. Okay, I hope you all have understood that how can we divide a decimal number by a decimal number.